Hi guys! Today we are making Japchae or Korean glass noodles. For our ingredients, we have sweet potato noodles which has been soaked in warm water for 10 minutes until it is soft but still raw. And this is bulgogi which is marinated with 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon garlic, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. This has already been sauteed until brown and it's ready to go. And we also have a seasoning sauce here which is half a cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic, 3 tablespoon brown sugar, and a pinch of black pepper. The rest of the ingredients are spinach, red peppers, yellow peppers, carrots, white onions, wood ear mushroom, or you can use sliced shiitake mushrooms. In some recipes, they saute all the vegetables separately and then they mix all the noodles and the vegetables until it's fully combined. But for this recipe, we're gonna do everything in one pot. Using a cold pan, no heat yet, add your vegetables, onions, and your mushroom. Add your spinach, add your noodles. Add a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and a 1/2 cup of water. Now add your seasoning sauce and cover for 10 minutes. And while we're waiting for that to cook, we're gonna make our egg garnish. Separate egg yolk to egg white. Make an omelette with both colors and then slice it into strips. And we're gonna use that to garnish our noodles. It's been 10 minutes, so let's check it out. Ooh. So now we can add in our bulgogi beef. And let's start mixing. After tasting it, I needed to adjust the salt, so I added some fish sauce. But you can also add salt if you want. Mushroom, peppers. I hope you guys try this recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you again guys for watching and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!